At my house now, the second that alarm goes off, the curtains fly open and a voice starts announcing, "Wake up!" And the best part? You don't need any creepy cameras in your kids' room. All you need is that same Android phone they're already glued to. So if you're tired of the daily morning battle, trust me, this is the ultimate solution I found to finally get us out of that war zone. I'm gonna walk you through how to build an unstoppable multi-sensory wake-up matrix using light, sound, and voice to physically put an end to sleeping in. All right, before we start, let's go over the parts list. The hardware is simple: an Android phone, a multi-mode smart gateway, a Bluetooth mesh smart curtain motor, and that DIY smart speaker we built that costs less than $10 in the last video. Hardware's in place, so let's tackle the software. First up, in Home Assistant's integrations, find and add Sleep as Android. Quick heads up, you'll need version 2025.9 or newer for this to work. Once you add it, copy the webhook URL it generates and get that over to your phone. Second, we need to add a text-to-speech integration. I'm using ElevenLabs for this project because they offer a generous free tier every month. You'll need to grab an API key from their website. Then just head back to Home Assistant, go to Devices and Services, add the ElevenLabs integration, and paste in your key. Okay, now back on the phone. Get the Sleep app installed, go into its settings, find automation, and paste that URL right in there. Set an alarm for whenever your kid needs to wake up, and once you do, you'll see that alarm sensor in Home Assistant just comes to life. All right, all the pieces are on the board. Now for the fun part, tying it all together and building the automation. The logic for this automation is dead simple. It's basically an if-then statement. If the trigger, the state of that Sleep as Android alarm sensor changes to start, then the action, do two things. 1, open the curtains, and 2, have our little DIY speaker play our pre-written wake up. Oh, and by the way, don't forget to give your automation a good name and ID. It's a good habit that'll save you a headache later when you have a ton of these. All right, everything is configured. Let's see what actually happens the moment that alarm goes off. So when the alarm on the phone starts, the automation is triggered instantly, which then runs the action to open the curtains and play our custom text. So you see, what we've just done is cleverly outsourced that painful morning conflict to our automation and totally freed ourselves from the battle. And hey, if this little project that brings peace to the household is useful to you, don't forget to share it with your other parent friends who are just as tired of being the wake-up police as you are.